Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. This video is the last part of the previous video that channel back. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without wasting your time, let's jump to the second part. I have hidden the yarn and it's like this. You can see, and this side will be the outside of the bag. Then this side will be the inside of the bag, and the base of the bag is like this. The shape also will be like this. It will have a flip, and let's crochet all the four sides again to give some design. We are going to crochet from here. So insert the hook and take the yarn from the back side and pull out the hook like this. Then again insert the hook into the another stitch, pull back the hook like this, and same you have to insert the hook and take the yarn. After that pull back the hook like this, again insert the hook into the another stitch, then take the yarn and pull back the hook. So you have to crochet all the four sides like this. To crochet all the four sides till here. Now I have completed all the four sides, you can see, and after that let's cut the yarn. And after that we have to hide the. Now I have already hidden the yarn. After that we are going to crochet side of the bag. This will be the base, and we are going to crochet the side wall. For that we have to crochet 7 single chain. Now it's 7 chains, and we have to lift the first stitch, then crochet. Like this. We have to crochet 6 rounds. I have already completed the side wall. It's 6 rounds, and I have already made the another one also to save time for you. It's the same size, and let's measure it. It's 5 inches long, this also, and 2.5, almost 2.5 inches breadth, this also. So let's attach this side wall over here where we mark the here. Going to attach here. Like this. Another side also. It's like this. And we have to attach the another side also. Here. Now let's attach the side wall from here like this. Insert the hook, then take the yarn and pull it back, pull back the hook, and after that insert the yarn between the V shape, this V shape. Till the other side, then pull it back the hook like this. Again insert the hook through the V shape. I have already attached the another side also to save time for you, and the back size is like this. It's quite big and you can put many things. And now let's let's attach the lock in the center of the bag, the center of the flip from here. And after that press the lock like this. Then let's attach the down part from the second round, the center of the second round here. Let's take it out this. It's a little bit hard. And after that we have to put yarn like this. Another side also. Then close it. And now we are going to attach in the center of the second row. Here, let's pull back the yarn inside. Other side also, upper part like this. Then let's tie the yarn like this. You can see this. Now we have already attached the lock, and the back shape is like this. And now we have to crochet the handle. For the handle of the bag, we need 30 chains. So let's start. Leave the tip of the yarn 4 to 5 centimeter as usual. We have to make it. Now it's ready, 30 chains, and let's crochet the first round. Leave the first stitch, then crochet like this as usual. Insert the hook through the V shape till here. I have completed the first round. It's like this, and after that we are going to crochet this type of shape. For that, leave up 3 ear loops like this, then skip the first stitch, then insert the hook from the second stitch, again take the yarn over the hook, then insert the hook below the first round, stitch, and pull up the yarn and leave the 2 chains ear loop, then crochet again take the yarn over the hook and insert the hook like this. We have to crochet till the end. Till the end of the row, till here. I have completed the round. It's like this, and after that we are going to crochet this single crochet this type of here till the end. It's completed, and now let's join the two sides. Let's join these two sides like this. As usual, we have done it in my previous video also. You can go through my previous video. This time I will not show you how to join these two sides, so please go through my video, the previous video. Now the handle of the bag is ready. I have already joined, and let's attach the handle. This time I'm using this type of ring here. Let's attach here. Another side also. Like this. Then let's attach to the bag. Here we're going to attach here. And the other side also. Now your channel bag is ready. It looks very nice, and then the back side also, it's quite nice. Now I'll show you the inside also. It's like this. I hope you like my video, and now you know how to crochet the channel bag easily, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.